I'm staying here at Camp Shelby in Mississippi, and I wanted to do a little room tour with you guys. You guys get a look at what the rooms look like here at the Army Lodging. First thing, key card for the entrance. So nothing too special there, but just let y'all know, key card. They don't have keys. Army usually goes the cheapest route, so I'm kind of surprised that they have actual key cards for you to get into your room. This right here, as you can see, is the bed. This is my blanket right here. I don't know what this blanket is made out of, but it can't keep you hot, it can't keep you cold. I don't know what it does. So I brought up my blanket, aka the game changer. Right here, you got your own AC unit. I'm up on the second floor, so this is your view from my room, or this is my view from the room right here. Right down there is the lodging office and the front parking lot, but you'll probably just end up parking in the back if you come and you're staying here. Right here you got a little desk, you got your TV. It does have cable, direct TV as a matter of fact, not just cable. And I was reading this and it says, please return the room to its original configuration prior to checking out. And I kind of thought about like the original configuration, who's switching up the rooms? But one of the things I'm noticing here is that this desk, there's no plug under the desk. So if you want to use your laptop or something, you're gonna have to either run some type of extension cord or reconfigure the room. But obviously it's allowed, so just reconfigure it and then put it back before you leave. I guess you could call this the closet. Got my shoes down there. Got a little nightstand. I'm not sure who you calling on this phone though. Probably the front desk. But they got a phone. This came with the room, the clock. This did not. Right here you got your mirror. And I don't know if they have housekeeping, but since I've been here, there is no one coming to do anything to the room, so let's go ahead and check out the bathroom. So one thing I want to mention is you got to share a bathroom with the person on the other side, but there's locks, so you can lock it while you're in there. Walking into the bathroom, you got that industrial strength toilet, ready to handle whatever you're trying to throw at it. Also, these bathrooms have a lock on the inside and the outside of the door, so you can keep your room secure, but you can also lock it and have some privacy when you're in here showering or testing the limits of that toilet. One of the things with this room though, with the bathroom, I'm not sure who's standing up and showering here, but like without getting down a little bit like this. But it'll get it done though, you know what I'm saying? It'll get it done. I don't think I have a roommate. If I do, he doesn't shower, he doesn't use the bathroom, he doesn't make noise. So that's the perfect roommate, you know. I do like that you get your own sink on your side though. So you just gotta use the shower and the toilet with somebody. You don't have to share a sink. The less things you gotta share sometimes, most times in that situation, all the time, the better. Right here, as you can see, I got my whole paycheck out here. So you may have noticed that there's nowhere to heat anything up or cook anything, just a place to keep your food cold. They got a solution for that. Just a short walk down the hall, which in my case is a short walk because I'm right here by the day room. There is a day room, and inside the day room, which there's one on every floor, we got some old school chairs, some old school lamps, and bam, an old school TV. But most importantly, you got a microwave. So you got something, which is better than nothing. also get free ice. So you also do have use of some washing machines and dryers, free of charge. Best part, my favorite price. Little folding table, old school chairs. There's a common theme here in the decor, old school, you know. And a sink. And I guess you could use whatever detergent somebody leaves behind if you don't have any. This is going to be my reconfiguration for now because, as you can see, the plug is right there, and you can, now I can plug the laptop in. But if you come with an extension cord, you'll be good to go, because that cord is all the way, the plug is all the way back here, and it's not going to reach. So yeah, that's gonna be the setup for now. I might change it, but yeah, that's the room, and that's the room reconfigured. Thanks for watching this Camp Shelby room tour. Do me a favor, go down in the comments, let me know if you stayed here before, or if you plan on staying here. If you stayed here before, let me know what your experience was like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and as always, I'll catch up with you on the next video.